Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make cappuccino and a latte at home. Now we all know Starbucks is a great place to get a coffee, but not everyone can afford it every day. And some wants to make it at home, but they don't have a special machine for it. And that's why I'm going to show you how to make cappuccino and a latte at home with the utensils you already have it in your kitchen. So stay tuned. For a cappuccino and a latte, you need the same ingredients, that is sugar, coffee, milk. Only difference is the method and a ratio. Let's check real quick what is the difference between latte and a cappuccino.
As you can see in the picture, cappuccino has a deep layer of foam compared to latte. Also, cappuccino has equal amounts of espresso, milk and a foam, whereas latte has 1/3 espresso, 2/3 milk and a thin layer of a foam.
So the first recipe I'm going to show you is a cappuccino. To make cappuccino, you need granulated sugar, instant coffee, milk and some water. So I'm making 1 cup cappuccino. For that, we'll get 1 spoon of instant coffee, and we also need some granulated sugar. For this recipe, you have to use the regular sugar. You can't use sweetener because regular sugar is what's gonna create the foam. Now let's add this much water. You don't want to add much water because it will be difficult to create foam then. Now you just have to mix it. Now you can start whisking it. Now when it gets too thick like this, you want to add little drop by drop water to dissolve the sugar and start mixing again. Now if you're making it for more than 2 people, you can use the electric mixer, and you can also make it in little bigger batch and refrigerate for a couple of days and just scoop out, pour the milk and have a cappuccino every day. Now you see the sugar granules, that's what we want to be dissolved. Now let's see if it is ready. You can see it's nice and smooth. This is ready now. Let's warm up milk for our cappuccino. Whichever cup you're gonna use, fill it up halfway with the milk because half is going to be the froth. Let's put this foam that we created in here. I think I'm gonna put all. Let's pour our hot milk and mix it. Now let's see how to make latte. For the latte, you need the same ingredients, that is sugar, coffee and a milk. So I'm going to use this cup, and I'm taking less than a full cup milk because we are going to create a froth. So let's pour this milk in the pot. Now I'm going to add sugar to it. Now for the latte, you can use whichever sugar you want and as much as you want. Let's put it on the stove top and start it on a medium. Now let the milk warm up a little. Once the milk is warmed up, we start whisking. You don't have to continuously whisk this one. You can rest for a few seconds and then start it again. Now you see there is a lot of froth on it. Now I'm going to add instant coffee, 1 spoon. It depends on how strong you like it. Now, if you don't want to use the instant coffee for a latte, you can also make the regular pot of the coffee and just make the froth on the stove and top the coffee with it. And there you go, you have your latte at home. Our latte is ready now. Now you can top your latte with the whipped cream if you like. I like it, so I'm gonna top it with it. And let's sprinkle some cinnamon. Here you go. You have your cappuccino and a latte at home like a Starbucks. Try it and let me know.